What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today I have the simplest and easiest way to cook stew peas for you guys, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, so if this is your first time trying to make stew peas, this is the easiest way to make it. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is wash the pigtail, and then you're going to boil it 2 times in some water. This is to help to remove some of the saltiness from it. So meanwhile the pigtail is boiling, you can go ahead and prepare the other meat that you will be using. So I'm just using some chicken foot, but you can add like stew beef, turkey neck, oxtail, or any other meat, or even pig trotters to it as well. Okay, so when the pigtail is finished boiling, you're going to go ahead and chop it up into some bite-sized pieces. Okay, after this you're going to go ahead and wash the peas, and then you're going to add the different types of meat to it. You're going to also add some pimento seeds or pimento berries and some garlic to add flavor to the meat, and then you're going to allow it to cook for about an hour or until you see the peas almost soft and the meat tender. So at this time you're going to make your spinners, and this is a mixture of flour, cornmeal, and salt. You're going to make it into a dough like this, and then you're going to add it to the pot. Now you're going to flavor the pot. So you add scallion and thyme and a ripe pepper, and then you can go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, some salt. So you're going to season it to taste. Okay, if after 5 to 8 minutes you do not see the stew thickening, you can go ahead and add a flour and water mixture, and this will help to thicken the stew. And this is it, some Jamaican style stew peas with pigtail. A very easy and simple meal to make. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video guys. Bye.